very quick and important urgent update for our Sprout Network mobile mining app. Ito yung date and time ng recording natin. Okay, so gusto ko lang i-share itong isang announcement na kakapost lang ng Sprout Network. Okay, you have been warned, guys. So first announcement, okay, first halving event completed. Okay, so dito yan makikita guys sa information on next halving. Okay, halving milestones. So kung hindi ka pa, halimbawa napag-iwanan ka ng Pi Network or ng Ruby Network mining app, and for some reason you came across this video, pwede nyo gamitin yung invite code natin. That's crypto bayanihan 0612. Okay, so again, that's crypto bayanihan 0612. Okay, Sprout Network is experiencing parabolic growth. Our community has surged so quickly that the first halving has officially taken place. All earning rewards, including the base rate, have now been cut in half. Okay, the updated rates are as follows. Okay, so from base rate na 4 magiging 2 Sprout per hour. Earning team rate, ayan na, nangalahati lahat. Okay, so yung pwede nating ma-accumulate na Sprout token or crypto sa base rate, earning team, security circle, lahat nangalahati na. Okay, so check ko nga yung sa account natin. Kasi yung sa atin 4 Sprout per hour pa rin yung base rate ko. Okay, ang onti ng may hindi naka-online dito or hindi pa nag-tap. Kasi in the past few days, kagabi nga lang yung recording ko umabot ng 20 Sprout per hour. So baka yung iba dyan tulog pa. Okay, updated rates will take effect at the start of your next session. The next halving is approaching quickly. Rewards will be cut in half in the coming days. So keep earning at the current rate while you still can. Mandatory update incoming. Ayan. Ito. Version 1.1.1 of the Sprout Network app will be released very soon. Okay? All users must update to continue earning Sprout. This update ensures everything runs smoothly as the network grows. Okay? It also includes improvements. Okay, pagka nag-update tayo ng Sprout Network natin, i-record din natin yan. Sa halimbawa na update natin to Sprout Network mobile app version 1.1.1, dapat, kasi sabi dito, it also includes improvements such as fixes to security circle, earning team display, and other minor updates. Ayan. Once the update is live, earning will be disabled until you update your app. Okay. We have a lot of exciting events coming soon. Thanks for being early, the Sprout Network team. Okay.
Disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is only for educational purposes and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies. Thank you.